Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by inspecting exterior damage and testing basic functions with headphones. Use a Phillips #00 screwdriver and a plastic pry tool to open the cup safely. Test audio with a 3.5 mm cable before adjusting Bluetooth settings. Check for visible wire breaks and loose connectors before ordering parts. Keep a small container for screws and label each part clearly. Photograph each step so you can reverse the disassembly later. This saves time and prevents lost pieces during repair. Gently remove ear cushions to expose hidden screws and clips around the cup rim. Use a pry tool to reveal 4 hidden screws and remove them in order. Open the housing slowly and note wire routing and foam placement. If a wire is loose, resolder with 60/40 solder and a 25 to 30 watt iron for control. Replace any damaged cable and route it through the original channel to avoid pinching. Reseat connectors firmly and test continuity before closing. Before final assembly, partially charge the battery for 30 minutes to enable basic testing. Reconnect internal connectors and close the housing loosely so you can access ports quickly. Perform a firmware reset by holding the power button for 10 seconds if Bluetooth remains unstable. Repair the headphones and test left and right channels using a balance track or mono test file. Tighten screws evenly and replace cushions to restore the original seal and fit. Confirm all functions work before final cleaning and use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.